going to develop prey drive, and this is how you do it. Get it. Prey drive is a natural instinct, and you can either develop it or redirect it, but it's the basic instinct for chasing, catching, holding. Now, for my purposes, I want to enhance retrieving, searching, and even, not for him, but police dog work is usually enhanced with prey drive. And the rules are: possession of the toy is 9/10 of the law, so you don't take it away from him. He wins it, he earns it. So you don't ever touch the ball while it's in his mouth. You can pet him and calm him, and if he ever releases the ball, then the game starts over again.